Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to deploy your websites or how to deploy your app on the cloud, on the public or in private. So I'm going to show you how to do these things. So let's get started. So GitHub, guys, do you know what is a GitHub? GitHub is a website for the cloud for software developer platform that the software developers they can manage their websites in the public on the clouds, so they can share their code or they can manage their code. So if you want to apply for job or if you want to share your any project into another group, so that you using GitHub. So many software developers they have a GitHub account, so I have also have. And then guys, if you want to go to create a GitHub, it's a very easy to create. If you don't know, write me down, I'm going to show you how to create. And today, in few minutes ago, in 30 minutes, I already deploy my app here, guys. You can see here that Science app. You can go to see. Okay, this one. You see, it is my data science code. So you can take this code and then going to use it, okay? And then it will be working. And so everything look perfect and working. And you are going to using this code and then to create your first app or your application, okay? And guys, you are going to at first you want to create a repository and from GitHub from your repository from here. Okay, from here you get new repository, giving the name any name that you want, say uh, data analyze app, okay, or this dashboard, uh, dash, okay, dashboard. So whatever you want. So guys, go to put name, and then if you want to give the description, okay, you can give, but make public. And then if you want a private, okay, that's the only fence you. But this is very important to initialize the repository with add the readme file. Okay, so you have to declare this one. If you not, no one can access to your app to see like your code or your file. Okay, so be initialized and then come to down here to create a repository. Okay, then we go to and then we go to here another. Okay, on to sharing. Okay, this one. We have a called Streamlit. Streamlit for data science and for software developer. So on machine learnings, all these for AI people, they can deploy their websites or deploy their apps on this cloud here. So here you are going to sharing your websites to deploy here, and then everyone can see, right? You see so many people they're viewing, you see 104K views to their websites, and you can go to see their webs. We are also in few minutes, I already deploy my websites here. You see here, this is my website, data science app for Streamlit, and how to do it. So you are going to also only when you create a data science Streamlit app, you have to have a GitHub account or Google account. Okay, so and then you are going to join your GitHub account to Streamlit. Okay, to create that, and then you'll get like this screen, and then you are going to create your new app. Okay, so but here I just want to show you. Come to the left side here, descriptions. You see the 1 GB, and then private apps only one, and then the public apps unlimited. So these are important things to get to know, because you are going to unlimited apps you are going to share here in this community. And okay, you can see here, just to click this my app. Okay guys, it's going to be, you see it's working. Hello guys. So yeah, here is our website, and you are going to create it exactly like this. I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now, guys.